Hello Abaqus users. In this video, I'm going to help you to model composite laminate damage, initiation and evolution by VUMAT subroutine in Abaqus. You will learn to do it easily and quickly by this tutorial. As you can see here in this image, several layers of composites, which is oriented in several directions, is going to be impacted by an impactor, and as you can see here, the element deletion and damage of the element is prevalent in this image. To understand how to do it, stay with us. Formulation. The composite laminate damage includes fiber tensile, fiber compression, matrix tensile, matrix compression failure modes. In addition to these failure initiation modes, we have explained also in this tutorial the damage evolution and interlaminar damage model with cohesive interface elements. To do it, you need to write VUMAT subroutine. VUMAT has many complex variables, but do you really need to understand all details of the VUMAT subroutine and coding to write your subroutine? Of course, no. Only necessary aspects are enough to write a VUMAT subroutine. We have prepared for you a composite laminate damage by VUMAT in Abaqus, which is a full tutorial including cohesive interface and damage evolution. This package includes videos explaining the formulation in detail, videos explaining VUMAT subroutine, VUMAT variables. The VUMAT subroutine is explained line by line to you in a video. Every VUMAT subroutine needs to be solved by Abaqus software, so the Abaqus model is explained step by step to you, and result extraction at the end, and all Abaqus files, VUMAT files and tutorial videos could be downloaded in this package, which is included in this package. Also, cohesive interface, all details of cohesive interface and damage evolution is explained in separated videos. The download link of this package could be found in the description. And if you want more to write your subroutine, your VUMAT, we can write your subroutine, your VUMAT subroutine, test it and teach it to you by tutorial videos, and you can order your project by the link in the description. Thank you very much for your attention.